Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Worldox, and we're going to talk about how to edit or move documents from one profile to another. Super easy, super fast, 2 different ways that I'm going to show you to do it, and that should get you moving things where they belong much easier. So I'm in Worldox, and I'm just going to pick a client here. So I'm just going to go into Direct Access and do just our little Attorney Computer Systems file and say OK. And now I've got some documents up on the screen. So wherever the documents were put, maybe in error or you just want to move them somewhere else, you can do that by just getting to where they are. And I can select multiple documents or just one. I can do a Control A and I could get all the documents if I've profiled them into the complete wrong client, whatever it is that I need to do here. I can grab these, or they're even the wrong matter, whichever it is, wherever you have to move these from. So I'm just going to select 3, and I'm going to come up here. There's 2 different ways that you can do this. You can either edit the profile, which is going to do the same thing as move, or I can choose move, and right here is my little move icon. I could also copy if I wanted to. If I wanted to leave a copy in this matter and also then put them into another matter, I could use copy. But in my case here, I'm going to say I want to move it or I want to edit. Either one of these things will do the same thing. So if I click on move, it's going to say the 3 checked, and I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to continue. And then it's going to ask me, where do I want to move it to? So I can then pick a different matter, different client, different matter, different cabinet. I could move this out to my user cabinet. I could move this anywhere, and then just reprofile the document as I want to. I would just hit update and it would move all 3 of these files to wherever I've told it to go. Now you can see in mine it has little asterisks that it's going to copy this field from the source file. So what that means is it's going to go ahead and keep my doc type, my author, and my typist as they were profiled over here, and then just move it into the correct client or the correct cabinet and just change the fields that make sense. Now, if this were wrong as well, let's say doc type was incorrect, at the same time, I could do the drop down and I could change the doc type, or I could change the author at that time as well. But it's going to assume, because I'm just moving this from one place to another, that I want to keep those things the same. But that might not be the case. So just keep that in mind. It assumes this, but you can change it. And you can change this to wherever you'd like. Now I'm going to cancel that and show you that if I also just hit edit profile, does ask me the same thing. Do I want the 3 that are checked? Yes. Continue. And it opens up that same window with the same parameters. So either I'm editing the profile or I'm moving, but either way, I can get all these documents to the correct location with just a couple of clicks and I'm there. I hope this eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to visit our website or give us a call. Thanks.